Hi, welcome to my channel Mathematics Made Easy by Mary MJ. Today I am discussing class 12 chapter 5 continuity and differentiability. We are continuing the exercise questions, exercise 5.5. We have already discussed up to 9th question. Now we are moving on to the remaining question number 10. So here given we are differentiating the functions with respect to x, and we were doing logarithmic differentiation. So next one is question number 10. Given that y is equal to x raised to x cos x plus x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. So directly we cannot apply log because in between it is plus. So we have to take it separately. So you have to take u is equal to x raised to x cos x and v is equal to x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. So since here it is power x raised to x cos x, we can apply log on both sides. So log u is equal to x cos x log x. Now differentiating. This part we can differentiate. So that is 1 by u into du by dx equal to. So here it is three different functions x cos x log x. So u into v, if three different functions it is there, how can you differentiate? So uv into derivative of w plus uw into derivative of v plus vw into derivative of u. So like that way three times we have to differentiate because it is three different functions. So x cos x into derivative of log x. What's the derivative of log x? Derivative of log x is 1 by x plus x log x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus cos x into log x into derivative of x is 1. Then here 1x getting cancelled, remaining we are getting cos x minus x sin x log x plus cos x log x. And we can find out this is 1 by u into du by dx. Now we can find out du by dx by taking this u to the other side. So u means x raised to x cos x. So can write what is du by dx. Du by dx equal to u into, u means it is x raised to x cos x into the remaining terms are cos x minus x sin x log x plus cos x into log x. Now the second part, v we have already taken as x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. Now we have to differentiate, that is u by v rule. No need of taking log here, we can apply quotient rule in that because it is in the form u by v. So v is equal to x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. So differentiating dv by dx is equal to denominator is x square minus 1 into derivative of numerator is 2x minus numerator is x square plus 1 into derivative of denominator is 2x whole divided by denominator square means x square minus 1 whole square. We can simplify by opening the bracket. So 2x cube minus 2x minus 2x cube minus 2x whole divided by x square minus 1 whole square. And common terms we can cancel, 2x cube and minus 2x cube getting cancelled, remaining we are getting minus 4x divided by x square minus 1 whole square, and that is dv by dx. Now how to get dy by dx? We know y is equal to sum of two functions u and v. So we can find out what is dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to, it is differentiating both sides, du by dx plus dv by dx. So dy by dx equal to du by dx, already we have written here. What is du by dx? X raised to x cos x x raised to x cos x into cos x minus x sin x log x, cos x minus x sin x into log x, then last term cos x log x plus cos x into log x, then plus dv by dx. dv by dx is minus 4x, so instead of this plus I can write here minus 4x divided by x square minus 1 whole square. So that is the final answer. So both after finding du by dx and dv by dx, just add. Now moving on to the next one, question number 11. Y is equal to x cos x whole raised to x plus x sin x whole raised to 1 by x. So same way, since here in between it is plus, we cannot apply log directly. So that you have to take care of, because if plus is there in between directly, we cannot apply log. So you have to take y is equal to u plus v. Separately you have to take it. U is equal to x cos x whole raised to x and v is equal to x sin x whole raised to 1 by x. Now take log on both sides. Log u is equal to x log x cos x, and here directly we can, if we are taking log, what happens, both will do it together. So log v is equal to 1 by x log x sin x. Okay, now differentiating. 1 by u into du by dx is equal to first function into derivative of the second plus second into derivative of the first. So first function means x into derivative of log of x cos x is 1 by x cos x into derivative of x cos x. We have to apply product rule here. So first function into derivative of the second plus second into derivative of the first. So first function into derivative of the second plus, again this is only first term, then plus second function into derivative of the first. Then we can simplify this. Simplifying, 1 by u into du by dx is equal to, here x can be cancelled, numerator and denominator x is there, then remaining minus x sin x plus cos x divided by cos x plus log of x cos x. Same way, du by dx equal to, this is x into sin x by cos x is tan x, then plus cos x by cos x is 1. So u into, what is u? U is x cos x whole raised to x into minus x tan x plus 1, then remaining plus log of x cos x. This is du by dx. Now we have to find out what is dv by dx. Now already we have taken log there. So log v is equal to 1 by x log of x sin x. Log v is equal to 1 by x log of x sin x. Now differentiating, 1 by v into dv by dx equal to first function, second function. First function into derivative of the second is 1 by x sin x into product rule. For x sin x we have to apply product rule. So x cos x plus sin x into 1. That is first function into derivative of the second plus second into derivative of the first. Then again here also first function into derivative of the second plus second function is log of x sin x into derivative of the first 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square minus 1 by x square. Simplifying this, we can write this as x cos x plus sin x by x square sin x, then minus log of sin x, log of x sin x divided by x square. Then again simplifying, one here splitting it, x cos x by x square sin x, it is cot x by x, and this one plus 1 by x square minus log of x sin x by x square, and this side, this v we have to bring it to the other side. So dv by dx equal to dv by dx equal to v into, how much is v? V is x sin x whole raised to 1 by x into this. This is the second equation. So we have to add both the equations and we are getting dy by dx. So dy by dx can be written as, so that is du by dx plus dv by dx, and finally what is the answer? You can write it together, both the values. So dy by dx equal to du by dx. How much is du by dx? Du by dx is x cos x raised to x into 1 minus x tan x plus log of x cos x. It will write it here. So dy by dx equal to x cos x whole raised to x into 1 minus x tan x plus log of x cos x. Then plus last second term is x sin x whole raised to 1 by x into cot x by x plus 1 by x square minus log of x sin x by x. So that is question number 11. Now moving on to the next one. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx of the following. In that question number 12, x raised to y plus y raised to x is equal to 1. We have to find out what is dy by dx. So you can give here u and this one as v. So separately we can take it. So what is u, what is v? U is equal to x raised to y and v is equal to y raised to x. Applying log here, log u is equal to y log x and log v is equal to x log y. Differentiating with respect to x, 1 by u into du by dx is equal to, first function is y, derivative of the second is 1 by x plus log x into derivative of first one, that is dy by dx. And therefore we can write du by dx equal to u into, u means x raised to y into y by x plus log x into dy by dx. Same way we can find out what is log v. Log v we have already got, differentiating both sides, 1 by v into dv by dx is equal to, first function is x, derivative of the second means 1 by y into derivative of y is dy by dx, don't forget that, plus log y into 1, and dv by dx equal to v into, v is y raised to x into x by y dy by dx plus log y. So second equation. So there we have got u plus v. Already we have taken x raised to y as u, other one as v. So u plus v is equal to 1, or differentiating this with respect to x, du by dx plus dv by dx is equal to 0. So simplifying this, du by dx is x raised to y into y by x plus log x into dy by dx plus y raised to x into x by y into dy by dx plus log y is equal to 0. Now we have to open the bracket and find what is dy by dx. Only dy by dx terms we can bring it to one side. We are finding out what is dy by dx. So multiplying this x raised to y inside, we are getting here x raised to y into y by x plus x raised to y into log x into dy by dx plus y raised to x into x by y into dy by dx plus y raised to x into log y. Equal to 0. All the dy by dx terms we can bring it together. So dy by dx into remaining here x raised to y log x, and here you can see here this y raised to x by y, so y raised to x minus 1. So this is plus y raised to x minus 1 into x dy by dx. Dy by dx I have taken out, so no need of writing again dy by dx there. Then remaining all terms we can take it to the other side. So this is equal to minus y raised to x log y minus x raised to y minus 1 into y, because here x raised to y, denominator x, cancelling, you are getting x raised to y minus 1. Therefore dy by dx can be written as, how can we write dy by dx? Dy by dx equal to minus y raised to x log y minus x raised to y minus 1 into y divided by x raised to y log x plus y raised to x minus 1 into x. So that is the derivative of given function. Next one, question number 13. Y raised to x is equal to x raised to y. Here we can directly take log. On both sides we can apply log. So x log y is equal to y log x. Differentiating with respect to x, first function into derivative of the second is 1 by y into dy by dx is equal plus second function is log y into derivative of the first is 1 equal to y into derivative of the second is 1 by x plus log x into derivative of the first is dy by dx. Take dy by dx together, remaining x by y minus log x, and remaining all terms we can take it to the other side, y by x minus log y. So dy by dx equal to y by x, or take this x to this side, you can cross multiply that. So you are getting y minus x log y by x, then divided by, this is one side, this term taking to the side, x minus y log x by y, and that is equal to here by y. So this come in the numerator. So y into y minus x log y divided by x into x minus y log x, that is dy by dx. So remaining one or two questions in the same form itself. Please try to work out those questions. Thank you for watching my video. Those who haven't subscribed, please like, share and subscribe, and also click on the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Bye.